It's your boy KW. Back up another video. Alright, say guess animal body emoji to see how many can we get right. Number 1, butterfly. Duh, got a butter and a fly. Like who won't get that right? What the fuck? That common sense. Exactly. Come on, bro. That's a bulldog, duh. What? That easy. Come on, man. Let's see. Ooh, I don't know. Baby pin. Oh, what the huh? I don't know. I still don't get that one. D on key. Oh, donkey. I'm tripping. Oh, tripping. Okay, deer. Deer. Yeah, deer. D in the ear. Yeah. Okay. Boom. Got that right. Plant ant. Plant. I don't know. Elephant. Oh, elephant. Okay, I get it. Eagle. Yeah, eagle. These are mostly kind of easy. Some tricky. Jellyfish. Easy. That's that light word right there. Jellyfish. You know what I'm saying? That baby, man. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what that is, though. I don't know. Tiger. Tomatoes and a gear. No. Lion. Kangaroo. Whoa, what is this? I don't know what that is. I know lamb like a cat. A cricket. Oh, guess the crying face. What the hell is that anyway? What the fuck is a popsicle or something? What the hell is that? A bat. Hell no. A monkey, duh. It's a monkey, a monkey. A monkey. Monkey, man. Let's see. 14. She got rain, got a rainbow. No, I'm about to say rainbow. Hell, I'm tripping. It's an animal. Rhino, yup. Soulies. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Wolf. Okay. We got cat and we got fish. Catfish. Right? Yup. Easy, man. Easy one. We got water, then we got horse. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Seahorse. Okay. A bee. I think. Bear. Okay, bear. You got an ant. You got somebody. I don't know what it is. I'm not even finna try. Anteater. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Panda. Oh, I'm tripping, boy. Goldfish, duh. That's a light word right there too, man. They easy, man. Come on. I don't know what it is. I have no clue. Seal. Okay. Oh my goodness. I keep getting these simple one wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Snail. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't think it's too hard. Chunky. Turkey. Oh my goodness, but they get my ass. Well, I think I failed this test. This was a test I would have failed. I have no clue. Hamster. Oh. I think I would have passed if they gave with an ABC. It's a square box with an L. What the fuck can that be? Squirrel. Wow. Oh, kangaroo? Nah, it can't be that. Yeah, nah. A bison. A worm, a weed worm, well, earthworm. Oh my goodness, I'm slow, boy. No, I don't know. Chicken. Wow. How you put water at that baby chicken? I don't understand that one. Buffalo. No, but I don't know. Sheepdog. I ain't even know there was a thing, a sheepdog. I ain't even never heard of that before. Cat ear in the statue. Cat. Oh, caterpillar. Yeah, I failed that one. At this point, I'm just gonna look at it now. I ain't even gonna try. Cause I don't know none of this shit. Yo, all this shit getting hard. Polar bear. Starfish. I can get that one now. That's simple. You know what I'm saying? But all that other stuff. I don't know what's going on with the other stuff, boy. Let's see. No, I have no clue. Stop texting me. Talking about something, yeah. I'm gonna leave it up though, too. That thing called, I don't know what that is. Banjo. What it is? A seesaw? I don't know. See a song. Okay. Whoa. I do not know this one. Peacock. Okay. I think we got 40 on, y'all. I don't know that one. I have no clue what is that. Oh, lady. I don't know what that is, either. I don't know what the hell is that. I don't know what it is. Y'all comment down below. Y'all know what it is. I think this is the last one. It gotta be. Yeah, I don't know what it is. But I'm done. So done. I'm not even gonna go.